Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to do these super cute nude cat eye nails. I love these. I love these so much and they're so easy to do. So whether you're short on time or you're a beginner, these will be perfect for you. So getting right into it, I already applied my base coat and then you're going to need a sheer base color. My go-to has been Olive and June's The Queen Takes Her Tea with Milk. This is such a good shade. It's pretty much your nail, but it just adds a little bit more. So I use it to hide my nail line and then just smooth everything out. So I'm gonna apply that to all of my nails and then cure underneath my lamp. Next, you're gonna need a cat eye gel polish. So I'm using this one from the brand Ilsa. Ilsa, I don't know. I might be saying that wrong, but I found it on Amazon and I really like this one. It's kind of a champagne-y kind of nude shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that over my entire nail. And I am just working on one nail at a time. So once I apply that, before you cure or do anything, you're gonna need a magnet. Normally I use the smaller magnet, but I have no idea where I put one. So I have this giant one. This is definitely a stronger one too. But basically what I'm gonna do is take that and slowly go towards my nail coming from the top corner because I wanted kind of this curvy line, but then also pushing it to one side. So this is one of those things you can really do whatever here, kind of play around with it. But once you like what it looks like, you're gonna hold it there for a second and then quickly pull away your magnet so that it stays there, just like I did there. And if for some reason it moves around a little bit, you can go ahead and put the magnet back and then again remove it quickly. The only way to set it in place is to cure it, so that's why I do try to work quickly and also work on one nail at a time. So as soon as I pull away the magnet, I'm going to grab my lamp, and I like to use the small little flash cure lamp for this, and I'll just slide my finger underneath and cure it that way. And all of that was in real time, no cuts or anything, just so you can really see the speed I was going at. This is how that nail turned out, and you can kind of see as I move my finger, it shifts around depending on how the light hits it. This light definitely doesn't do it justice too, just saying. But next, you're just gonna continue to do this on all of your nails, and like I said, you can change it around, you can keep it the same. This time I did kind of go to the side first, and then the other side, and then I brought my magnet toward it from that top corner, which did give it a new look. When I was doing these nails, I realized I've never really taken the time to kind of just play around with different cat eye gels and learn different things you can do and different angles and all of that. So I think I want to do a video on that, just all on cat eyes, different kinds, how to use them, the different shapes and designs you can make. I think that could be really fun and just overall helpful because I know cat eye can be a little tricky to work with, especially if you're trying to make it look a certain way. So let me know if that's something you guys would be interested in. With the cat eye polish that I chose, this does have almost more of a metallic finish because it has the smaller glitter pigment. And I really like that because it gives more of a subtle look, but you could also get one that has the bigger glitter in it, so it'll give you more of a sparkly look. Here is how the nails looked after I applied all the cat eye. Oh, I'm acting like I haven't seen this before, but I cannot get over these. Anyways, to finish this off, all you're going to need is your top coat. I've been using the V Beauty Pure Top Coat. I really like this one. And you're just going to apply this like you normally would. And make sure you cap the tip. When I say that, it's just taking the brush and sliding it along the free edge of your nail. And then you're going to cure all of your nails under your lamp one last time. As always, I'm using my Kiara Sky lamp. And I also used their flash cure lamp when I was doing one finger at a time. And here is the final look. You guys, if you have not tried these, please do. This is perfect too because it's not too much, but it's there. And so like it can look like this just in normal lighting, but then as soon as strong lighting or sunlight hits it, it just, look at that. You cannot tell me that is not gorgeous. It's simple, it's subtle, but it's still like, what is that?